what their family member looks like.
The United States saw a record 60,000 plus new coronavirus cases on Wednesday, the biggest single-day surge ever reported by any country. That comes just a day after the number of confirmed U.S. cases crossed 3 million, a quarter of all known infections worldwide. Also on Wednesday, Texas and California both reported their highest single-day death toll from the virus. Yet despite the recent surge in cases across the country, President Donald Trump earlier on Tuesday had insisted on going forward with reopening schools.
So we're very much going to put pressure on governors and everybody else to open the schools, to get them open.
On Wednesday, Trump also threatened to cut off federal funding for schools, which failed to open on their normal schedule due to the health crisis. While states are chiefly responsible for primary and secondary education, the federal government does provide some supplementary funding. Business and conservative groups have also urged reopening schools as important for getting parents back to work and reviving the U.S. economy. But a rise in infections in 42 of the country's 50 states over the past 2 weeks has raised concerns about reopening plans. New York Governor Andrew Cuomo pushed back at Trump Wednesday, arguing school openings were a state decision.
And the president does not have the authority to open schools.
New York and New Jersey, the hardest hit states during the initial onset of the U.S. outbreak, are now trying to preserve their progress in battling the virus. New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy unveiled an executive order Wednesday mandating face masks outdoors when social distancing is not possible. Meanwhile, the virus has forced several states to reverse their reopening plans. Last week, California Governor Gavin Newsom put a pause on its reopening efforts, banning indoor restaurant dining and closing bars in much of the state.